Hello everyone, this is Ritika Kanochia and you're watching Textile Value Chain. Today we are going to interview Ms. Anushka Shah. She is the Executive Director of Acme International Limited. Hello.
Hi.
So my first question for you, your company operates in a highly competitive yarn and fiber market. What differentiates you from other manufacturers globally?
Started off as an agent, we moved on to traders, and then we also have manufacturing now. But we have not let go of our core business, that is trading and agent, like indenting. So, as a trader and agent, we are able to just not offer what we are already doing in manufacturing. We can offer a whole basket of different innovative products, and this keeps us on loop because we're in touch with all our suppliers and all our buyers. So we keep getting updated on what's new and what's out of textiles, and that's what we keep on informing our customers at the end of every month. We have something called as the market outlook, which gives us a report, which gives our customers a report of everything that has happened throughout the month. So in that way, we are also in touch with our buyers directly to give them the information globally, and it keeps us updated with the trends that are new and innovative in the textile market.
So this time, what are the innovation you are showcasing in Bharat 2026?
So this time we have segregated all the different yarns that we've offered in different categories. We also have some new product offerings like bleached comber and finished bleach products that we are showcasing over here in our display section. And we also have a few interesting garments and our own manufactured fabric to show. So we have a few good products that we can uh, showcase to our customers.
So what are your expectations from Bharat?
So I think this time Bharatex really looks good with with over 200 plus foreign buyers that are coming, in addition to all the domestic buyers who would be coming. So we really hope that this time we can meet a few potential good buyers, and going on we can click some business with them.
So as you mentioned, foreign buyers, here a question is, how are you balancing quality, scalability and cost while meeting the increasing demand for sustainable products?
Like, sustainability is not just one thing, it keeps on changing every time. So once there was BCI, today there is organic, then now there is regional Inditex. So all of that, the one thing that we make sure is that we do not compromise our quality to meet the cost. Even if the price moves up and down, we would not compromise our quality, because if we do that, that would probably be the biggest mistake a manufacturer can make, because it might be good for them for us in short term, but in the long term we have a high risk of losing that buyer. So the one thing that we make sure is that we don't compromise on quality no matter what the market is, and that's what keeps us connected with all our buyers, even those who were almost 20-25 years old.
So which international market are showcasing the strongest demand for your products and what trends are driving the demand?
So I think the top two markets today for anybody in India are Bangladesh and China. So right now they are showing a lot of resistance to the Indian prices because of the sudden spike in the Indian cotton that we have been seeing. But I am hoping that somewhere or the other this price parity will get even, and we will be able to offer competitive, because there are also a lot of incentives that are coming in for both the countries, especially Bangladesh. So to meet that, India needs to be competitive to regain that export advantage. And a lot of Indian suppliers are not just dependent on the local buyers, but they are also focused on a lot of export buyers as well. So to meet their demand, India will need to be competitive in the times to come. So I do see that we have a huge disruption that is coming in. We just need to take the correct call.
So last question for you. What are the message do you want to say to the people who have not visited Bharat 2026?
Please visit Bharatex 2027 and please support India, especially all the Indian buyers who are over here. It is the biggest platform that our government is organizing for us. So it's a really nice place to see what innovations India has to offer. So I strongly recommend every Indian to participate and or to visit. And even to all the foreign buyers, the government is giving a lot of good benefits and incentives to them, and they're arranging all their stays and everything. So they also should come and see, because India is always going to be at a competitive edge. So it's a great platform to see what we as a country have to offer to you.
Thank you so much, Anushka. Thank you for your precious word.
Thank you.